Yeah.
What's up, guys? You know what to do? Just Shlimes, I'm back again with another
Reaction video.
So, guys, if you're new to the channel, please do yourself a favor and subscribe because you're not gonna be disappointed.
Yes,
and for
sir.
those who don't know us, I'm William Tesla in case you're in IG and our platforms as William Tesla.
And I'm Marcus Keshman, I just crazy _ identity.
And I'm Chris Keshman on IG as Tesla and Chris. And if you really want to follow us, you can find our handles in the bio description.
Instead of wasting your time going to MAZZEL lightning dance performance video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I recently reacted to Waterfall by MAZZEL, and damn, that was crazy. Everything about it was fire. The dance moves,
the dress code,
the venue they chose for the music video, the frame shifting, damn, and everything about it. I mean, they brought it to the table. Yes, sir. I mean, when it comes to dance, you can always trust MAZZEL. Come on, if there's a dance battle, I'll pull up with MAZZEL. But yeah. There was a comment that said since we loved the dance and everything that happened in Waterfall, MAZZEL, we'll definitely love lightning. So we should definitely give a reaction to it. And we're like, why not?
Yes, sir.
It's MAZZEL. It's BMSG. Why not?
I mean,
there's no doubt on it. But anyway, guys, if you hear arigato,
love upon love.
Yes, sir. So yeah, without wasting your time, MAZZEL dance performance, lightning. Okay, straight into it.
Down.
Yeah. Let's go.
Damn, the light is giving. What's this? What's this band? Not a band. Those four girls. I don't. Scrubs.
The girl.
I don't want no scrubs. Scrub is a girl, get no love for me. Sitting in the passenger side of the passenger's right. Try to holler at me.
Okay, it's giving those girls.
It's giving those girls the background.
The background, yeah, even the lights.
No, but the studio is fire.
Dance, whatever they're dancing.
Fire.
The lighting, everything. Futuristic vibes. Okay, this is the same attire the wore on the live performance that we reacted to. Yeah. Guys, please do let us know if they on that same performance they performed lightning as well. Yeah.
It was so.
Yeah. And it changed colors.
Hey, bro.
Damn.
It's not green.
Damn. Shout out to the studio.
Hey, one.
Touch this guy, strike down the light. Like lightning.
Hey, boy, that's
Fire,
switch. That's
fire.
switch.
Damn, look at the dress code.
Yeah, I'm saying the switch. That is switch was fire.
Ooh, I wasn't ready for that.
Damn. Look at it.
One. Touch the sky, strike down like lightning.
Damn.
And it changed.
And they did.
Black and yellow.
Lightning.
Yeah?
Hey.
Yeah? Hey. Pick it up. La 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 la. Let's go.
I love the cameraman.
He's
doing his job.
I love the way they took scenes from both and then merged it. See the way they changed the attire and then they get back to this fire. And shout out to the cameraman. He's really doing his job with that.
Effects,
the editor as well. So guys, if you're enjoying this reaction video and you want to show your support for this channel, please feel free to use the super thanks stickers down below. That will really show your support for this channel.
And that will be highly appreciated.
Yes, sir. Without wasting your time, back to the video. Let's go. And the whole place, it's quite long.
Yeah, it's quite long. They're utilizing it quite well.
Yeah.
Cairo. Mr. Hallelujah. Oh, my,
Yeah?
Hey, hey.
Like
Lightning. Check. Down.
Yeah?
Lightning. Check.
Down, strike,
Blow.
strike a blow. Those pads.
Fire, bro.
Yeah?
Mazel lightning.
Yo.
Yeah?
Groove.
Yo. Down that straight like lightning.
Yeah. Check. Down. Straight. Blow.
This video is electrifying.
Indeed,
Come on, I
lightning,
love the energy.
indeed.
I love the
The way they keep
energy.
switching outfits, scenes from different outfits are crazy.
Lightning,
Lovely, it's
Lightning, indeed.
it's really giving.
Yeah?
Mazel lightning. Run it back.
Hold on.
Now run it back.
It's always exciting to react to MAZZEL.
Bro.
Now moves are electrifying.
I wish the songs or music videos were a bit longer. Let's say 8 minutes. Yeah. Because it's so entertaining. I don't want it to end, man.
But that's gonna be a lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of work on them.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's like 2 songs in it.
Yeah? Yo.
Yeah?
Hallelujah. Oh. Yo.
Like lightning. Check. Down. Lightning. Check.
Down, strike,
Like lightning. Yeah? Yeah?
Mazel lightning.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Down like lightning.
Check. Down. Lightning.
Like ooh.
Check. Down. Blow.
Yeah?
Mazel lightning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lightning.
Come on, man.
Yes, sir.
That's the
Yes,
video
sir.
is electrifying.
Indeed.
Definitely, like lightning.
Shout out to you that actually requested this one on fire. Shout out
That's
to
amazing.
you. Damn.
That's a product of BMSG.
Indeed.
It's always exciting. Always leave a smile on our faces when we react to the boys.
And excitement.
And
as well.
excitement, man! I just can't wait for the day.
Get
I'm
to
actually-
attend.
Yeah, I get
in
to
person.
attend
Like
Yeah.
live performance.
performance.
Because obviously, if it's getting
Meet
us
the boys.
exciting to our screens, then what more
Imagine
in
it
person?
in person, bro.
Bro.
That would be crazy.
Shake the boys' hands.
Hey, bro.
You know?
Yeah, come on. Every day when I watch these videos, I wanna dance, I wanna sing, I wanna do everything, man. It's so inspiring. Damn, I love it.
You know,
I aspire.
BMSG definitely have an eye for talent.
Let us know if they have a music video and a live performance for this one as well. Because dance performance was electrifying. They really put in the move and the energy in it. That's fire.
Definitely, and we'll give you guys a reaction to that as well, which the music video and the live performance, definitely. So yeah, guys, keep requesting these music videos, and yeah, we're really enjoying watching these videos. And as we did with Be First, we're gonna do the same with MAZZEL. So we wanna go through everything that has to do with MAZZEL. So yeah, guys, thank you for making it this far, and if you did, don't forget to like,
comment,
share,
subscribe,
and all that good
and
stuff.
Don't forget to turn notifications by the time. Well, drop.
Yes, sir, and catch us on the next one.
We are